It's okay. Your
bond, overwhelm, tunable, and normal way. Normal way. Now no one knows normal way.
Yourself with clay, and this is a cap of shoebox. This cardboard. Okay.
They take hundreds of years to build them.
Very nice.
wow, wonderful.
Everyone, dear principal, Ms. Rashida, Ms. Shakti, who was the anchor, all teachers, and my dear little ones. I saw a lot of variety. That was the best thing. Yes? So, it only shows what you are learning in the classroom, yes? And how your parents are also involved with you. And of course, your teachers are teaching you, right? So, there's so much of variety. And we can see young scientists here, yes? And we hope and pray that you keep learning like this and keep participating in such activities because you will be related to real life. Yes, there's there is something about the environment. For example, the water cycle. You have the wild animals. You have domestic animals. There's also a 3D solar system. You are cleaning the water, so you're learning the process, right? And then we saw so many things there. We love that game, that catapult, right? And then you could show a live demonstration of a volcano. So innovative, using things which we use at home, just to show, right? So each and every project was unique, so different, yes? So keep learning like this. You were happy today? Were you happy? You were waiting for today? Yes, to show it to everybody?
Yes.
You are successful. Yes, you did a good job. Very good. You're so happy and you all presented it so nicely. You explained it so well. So we are very proud of you and we are feeling very happy to come and witness what you showed here. Yes? So always be with the teachers, always take help from the parents, yes? And always keep participating in such activities. Yes? It is little different from the classroom, no? Fun activity. So thank you so much, ma'am. It was really great to be part of this.
But keep visiting us.
Inshallah.
So you all should say, ma'am, please keep visiting us. Please come.